English-Tagalog Sentence Translation, Lesson number 3. When are you free? When are you free? Kahulugan, kailan ka pwede? When do we meet? When do we meet? Kailan tayo magkikita? When can I apply for a visa? When can I apply for a visa? Kailan ako pwedeng mag-apply ng visa? When can I speak to your boss? When can I speak to your boss? Kailan ko pwedeng makausap ang amo mo? When do you think you'll get married? When do you think you'll get married? Sa tingin mo, mga kailan ka mag-aasawa? When are you paying me? When are you paying me? Kailan mo ako babayaran? When is your meeting? When is your meeting? Kailan ang meeting mo? When should I take the medicine? When should I take the medicine? Kailan ko dapat inumin ang gamot? When did you hear the news? When did you hear the news? Kailan mo nabalitaan? When are you going to visit Henry? When are you going to visit Henry? Kailan mo bibisitahin si Henry? O kaya, kailan mo dadalawin si Henry? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Kailan ka aalis? When do you play tennis? When do you play tennis? Kailan ka nagte-tennis? When are you coming home? When are you coming home? Kailan ka uuwi? When did you buy your phone? When did you buy your phone? Kailan mo binili ang telepono mo? When did we last meet? When did we last meet? Kailan tayo huling nagkita? When are you coming over? When are you coming over? Kailan ka pupunta sa amin? When did you start your business? When did you start your business? Kailan mo inumpisahan ang negosyo mo? When does the next bus arrive? When does the next bus arrive? Kailan darating ang susunod na bus? When are you going on holiday? When are you going on holiday? Kailan ka magbabakasyon? When will you know the result of the exam? When will you know the result of the exam? Kailan mo malalaman ang resulta ng exam? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? Kailan ka babalik? When did you come to London? When did you come to London? Kailan ka dumating sa London? When are we going to the restaurant? When are we going to the restaurant? Kailan tayo pupunta sa restaurant? When does the movie start? When does the movie start? Kailan mag-uumpisa ang pelikula? When did you start working here? When did you start working here? Kailan ka nag-umpisang magtrabaho rito? When can I withdraw my money? When can I withdraw my money? Kailan ko pwedeng ma-withdraw ang pera ko? When did you last see her? When did you last see her? Kailan mo siya huling nakita? When did you last eat? When did you last eat? Kailan ka huling kumain? When is the next flight? When is the next flight? Kailan ang susunod na flight? When are we supposed to make payments? When are we supposed to make payments? Kailan kami dapat magbayad? O, kailan tayo dapat magbayad? When should you say sorry to someone? When should you say sorry to someone? Kailan ka dapat mag-sorry sa isang tao? When did it happen? When did it happen? Kailan nangyari yun?